Hello everyone, today I will be showing the Mautic platform. So Mautic is an open source marketing automation tool for business and organization that allow them to create and run marketing campaigns such as email marketing, social marketing and lead generation. It is completely open source and free to use. You can also use your own database and server with it for more privacy. And this is the project: automated lead capture and engagement system using Mautic. So in many organizations, customer engagement management is done manually and it is time taking process and very difficult to identify which customer are should be prioritized, and lack of personal communication, no structured way of handling the communication with customers leads to inefficient marketing process. So in this solution using Mautic, we are creating a campaign for automated lead capture and interaction with the customers based on their lead score, and the lead score will be generated and maintained based on the user interaction with the emails or different content sent by the organization. So this is the solution architecture. User first submit the form on their website or any other platform, and the data will be gone to the Mautic, which will create a contact and will then trigger a campaign, and this campaign will send the email to customer after assigning them a score. And if the user opens the email, that means the user is interacting with the email or reading the content, so the lead score will be increased, and this data will be sent to Mautic again, which will trigger the campaign and send another email, and so on. The lead score will keep increasing or decreasing based on the user interaction. So after installing the Mautic, this is the dashboard that you will get. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and here you can see the contacts that you can create yourself or it can be automatically created from the forms. And here are the components, different like form, landing pages or dynamic content. Here is the simple form of name and email, and you can integrate the form in the landing pages, which are predefined templates that you can use like this. And this is the campaign. I will get to it now, but first these are the emails that you have to create beforehand, and containing different information like welcome email, value email and conversion email. And these are the point system for lead generation. So here, if the email is open, 5 points will be increased to the user, and if the form is submitted, 15 points will be increased. So it allows you to track the interaction of the customer. Now on to the campaign. Here you define how the emails are sent or how the actions are defined. When the form is created, it will the form is submitted by the user, some points will be added, then an welcome email will be sent, and if the email is open, the lead score will be increased, and then again second email will be sent, and after some time third email, and so on. So according your score and engagement of customer, you can create campaigns with different actions and decision points. And if email is not open, you can send the first email again or not. Now I will show you how it works. So this is the form. Suppose I am filling it. Here the form is filled, but for now I have to run this command because it is on localhost and not yet deployed. So I have to run this command for cron job to work, and after this the contact will be added, and here it is shown some points, and welcome message has been sent, and here you can see the email is received.